We are here with Spencer Horn, and PMI Portland chapter would like to welcome Spencer to our February chapter meeting, and that's happening on February 19th at the Doubletree Hilton. And the following day, February 20th, Spencer is here to do a workshop, and due to audience requesting a workshop from him from the annual conference that just happened in September. So thank you, Spencer. Welcome. And please let us know, and our audience know, and our members know, what is it that you're going to do your presentation on, your workshop on. Here you go.
So Titu, thank you first of all for inviting me tonight. I happen to be here at your chapter meeting here in November. And I don't know how you're doing it, because you are literally running from one thing to the next, totally out of breath. I'm so impressed with what you do. And thank you for having me back and being so gracious. So we're going to be talking about one of the things that is so important to any person's success in any career, and that is communication. How effective you are in communication has a huge impact on the results that you have, the ability to get buy-in for your ideas, the ability to get a promotion, the ability to advocate for yourself, for raises and for jobs and for opportunities. It also gives you the ability to handle conflict, to be able to work with people that have different styles of communicating from you. And so you're going to have the opportunity to get very clear about what your style of communication is. We'll actually do a scientifically validated survey where you're going to be able to understand what your basic style is, how under stress you are right now because of the changes that you're making to your natural style based on what's going on in your career, your personal life, your social life, your beliefs, your health, your financial situation. All of that impacts how you're showing up right now, and that can be creating stress in your life and impacting your results. So we'll identify that. And as a result of those changes, how you're actually showing up to others and what is the impact of that. It will be highly interactive, it will be lots of fun. That's going to be half a day of the workshop. So you'll get a personalized survey with results that you'll be able to take away and really use for your own personal development. That's the first half of the day. The second half of the day is really geared towards more management, leadership capability, and specifically how well you do at delegating and how well you do at coaching others. Now, one of the biggest challenges that comes in delegation is your communication style. What prevents you from delegating? For some people, it is wanting to control too much, and so they hold on to that authority and don't let it go. For other people, they want it to be so perfect that they're not willing to let go of anything. And there's so many different reasons why we don't delegate effectively. For one, we don't have enough time to actually explain to other people what it is that we need to do, so sometimes we just do it ourselves. How do we then coach people to be able to do what we need them to do? Well, that's a problem, because if you're like most project managers, you're buried and so busy that you don't have the time to actually stop and help coach and mentor. So we're going to talk about how you can get an extra 30 minutes in your day to be able to stop and listen and understand what's going on with the people that you work with, and then how to coach them through what it is they need to do, or even if they have behavioral issues, how to help them to change those. So that's going to be the day, and it will go very, very fast, highly interactive, and you're going to come away with a lot of takeaways that you can immediately apply to make your career and life better.
Thank you. Thanks, Spencer. And PMI Portland chapter is looking forward to February. And our annual conference attendees will be thrilled to hear that you're coming back to the chapter.
Thank you. I'm so excited to be coming back.
Thank you.